Hello friends, welcome to the channel Fitness Lives On with you. I am Sai Kiran. Today we'll be doing an arm workout for beginners. By saying arms, you don't train only for biceps. Biceps, these are actually part of the show muscles. Remember the term show muscles, I'll get back to it later. So while training arms, you'll train both your biceps and your triceps. The main aim is to get filled size sleeves. So we are trying this workout in the form of supersets. By doing supersets, we are focusing on the time under tension and the blood flow to stimulate the muscle growth. This is a very important aspect. So we'll be training this arms workout in the form of supersets, 3 into 2, 6 exercises in the form of superset, and 2 exercises, one as a finisher and other for forearms. So if at all you're beginners, you can do 3 sets of 10 repetitions each. To get the most from time under tension, forget about the weight you're lifting. Instead, focus on your form and more specifically on putting tension through the muscle. This helps you a lot while doing the exercise. Remember this point. The first exercise in the list is diamond push-up. It works on your triceps. While doing diamond push-ups, the same rules of push-ups follow. You don't arch your back and you'll do the full range of motion. After doing diamond push-ups, you'll do superset with barbell curls. You hold with the normal shoulder grip width and you'll start the exercise by doing it slowly. So while doing the exercise, you'll maintain the tempo of 1, 1, 2. What is that? 1. You'll hold it for 1 second and during the native range of motion, you'll bring it down in 2 seconds. If you find it comfortable, you can follow 1, 1, 2 tempo. Otherwise, you can do 2, 1, 3 tempo. You'll take 2 seconds to take the barbell up. You'll hold for 1 second. You'll take 3 seconds for bringing the barbell down. What happens that is your muscles will be subjected to good amount of tension during this posterior range of motion and it's subjected to full stretch during the native range of motion. Exercise number 2A in the list is hammer curls. This is how you do the exercise. Even you follow the same tempo for this exercise. You take up in 1 second, hold for 1 second, you bring down the dumbbell in 2 seconds. Hammer curls is one such exercise where you can increase the weight slight bit. Here while doing the exercise, don't use the momentum. Do the exercise slowly by following a proper tempo, and after that you'll be able to have full size sleeves by hitting both triceps and biceps together. 2B exercise in the list is triceps extension, overhead triceps extension. You'll take the dumbbell above your head, you keep your arms straight. This is how you do the exercise. You'll be able to feel the load on your tricep. The biggest tip while doing any exercise is that you need to feel the part that you're doing the exercise upon. By doing that, you'll be able to know whether you're doing the exercise effectively or not. So exercise number 3A is concentration curls. You do the exercise like this. you'll support your arm over your knee, and you need to do the curl. Squeeze it tightly and bring it down slowly. As you're taking the support of your knee, this is called concentration curl. This exercise, dumbbell kickback, you'll do this superset with the concentration curl. This is how you do the exercise. You'll start with this position, and while going back, you'll really flex your bicep. In this way, you'll be able to squeeze your tricep like hell. Hold here for 1 second. You're done with 6 exercises in the form of 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B in the form of 3 supersets. So now you'll be doing 2 more exercises. This one you're doing, this is forearm curls, and you're doing this for the forearm. You'll hold the barbell with less than the shoulder width, and you'll do the curls as you'll do normally. Hold for 1 or 2 seconds. Forearm curls give a good definition to your forearms. This is the forearm muscle, and it extends all the way till your wrist. This is an effective finisher for your triceps. You'll keep your shoulders straight. You don't drown them like this. So keep your shoulders with your chest wide upwards. You'll keep your back straight, and you'll keep your legs like this. While dropping down, you'll drop down straight. Don't do like this. Drop down straight. So this is how we do the exercise. You're doing this exercise for your triceps and not for your shoulders. So while doing the exercise, at any time if you're feeling the shoulders, it means that you're doing it wrong. So friends, you're done with all the 8 exercises, 3 into 2 in the form of superset, and the last 2, one for forearms and the other as dips for triceps. So friends, I hope to see you again in the coming video. Till then, stay tuned. Sai Kiran signing off. Follow along and let's get strong together. Fitness lives on with you.